Exterior surfaces never seem to stay looking good for long, do they? That's where Sadolin Superdec steps in. Available in 4 sizes, it's a solid multi-surface protection designed to completely cover old colours, patchy finishes and years of wear in just a couple of coats. It can be used on UPVC, metal, cladding, concrete and masonry. And here's where things have really moved on. It now dries faster than ever. So instead of waiting around all day or coming back tomorrow, you can get multiple coats done in a single day. And it's still self-priming, so there's no need for a separate primer on most jobs. Unlike traditional paints, Superdec flexes, helping prevent cracking, peeling and all the usual headaches, even with British weather doing its thing. That means longer lasting protection and less time up a ladder every year sorting it out again. And when it comes to colour, you've got more choice than ever. 7 great ready-mix tints in satin, and you can get it mixed to any colour you like. It's ideal for everything from windows and doors to cladding, sheds and garden joinery. Sadolin Superdec. Less prep, faster results and a finish that really lasts.